What's the meaning of consistent? Consistent. Consistent.
Consistent. Consistent. The term consistent refers to something that remains constant or stable in its nature, quality, or performance over time. Consistency can refer to the reliability or predictability of a particular action, behavior, or outcome. It is also associated with sticking to a particular standard or pattern. Being consistent is an important characteristic in various fields, such as sports, business, and personal development. Consistency is critical in achieving success, as it allows for steady progress towards a specific goal and builds trust in others.